Hey guys, it's your favorite teacher, Miss Dickens, and I hope you all are staying safe. This time I wanted to kind of show you all. I know there's a lot of people having troubles with the link or actually the Teams, and I actually want to show you all how extremely easy it is to sign on and upload your work there. So for example, say that you have completed day 1 and day 2, which you should have, and you want to upload your work. So of course you're going to go in, and I'm going to use someone's code and sign in information so I can show you all how easy it is. And I'm going to use Jasmine's. Hope you don't mind. And no, you can't see her information, so everything is just confidential. So I'm gonna go and sign in, put her password just like how you would sign on to get on iReady or anything else. So you go in and press class link. Make sure you press class link Fulton, and then it comes up. So then we go and we scroll down, or you find where it says Microsoft Office 365. You're going to then click on there, and then you're going to click on Teams. Now, I know that some people were saying when they clicked on Teams, it made them sign in again. You just go or put an email address. Put your email address, which is your lunch number, and you're going to do at fcstu.org. And if you need that again, I can just screenshot it to you and send it to your parents. And then your your login information password is the same thing as your birth date. So here you're going to click on Teams. So it's saying it's making a match. So as it should, you should already just click. It should click you through. I'm not sure why. On some, it says that you have to log back in. But like I said, put your lunch number and it's an email. Your email is your lunch number at fcstu.org, and then your password is still your lunch. So here you'll see that you have some information or other classes. You're going to skip that. You're going to go to Miss Dickens' third grade teleschool. Here you can kind of see the assignments. In this part where where it says post, I'm going to start posting videos if you forgot how to do certain things, and other information from Miss Gillis and Miss Omatide. So other information that you may know or want to click on, I will post it this week within this news. Here you can see the assignments. So say, for example, I'm just going to go to the assignments page. Here you will see all the assignments that are due. So as of right now, you have 5 assignments that are due. So day 1, and it's split up into day 1 and day 2. So say that I want to work on a day 1 activity and I want to put in my answers. So I'm just going to go into day 1 where it has understand what a fraction is. So you click on that. I have attached what you all see online, or if you have the packet, and an answer sheet. So here, I'm just going to open it up. It's just a PDF, and it gives, as you can see, you can make it bigger here, or you make it smaller. Just pretty much goes back through some of the items that you've already been previously taught. Now I'm going to click out of that one. And then here I'm going to go, and here's your answer sheet. So you go and press, this is your answer sheet. Now look at what I'm doing. Go to the 3 dots on the right hand side and download it to your computer. Okay, go ahead and download it. So now that it's downloaded, it's going to go here, and you're going to open up in the Word document. Now I'm going to try to make this as small as I can for you all. So make it to where it can fit in our screen that you can see. So you're going to press Enable Edit. And here you can see that you can, actually let me make this a little bit smaller. You can edit, insert, draw. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. So here, if it asks the questions, as you can see that there are text box. All you have to do is hover over it. When it changes to the typing symbol, just click. All you have to do is now put your answer. The first part says, how many equal parts are shown in this model? Well, how many equal parts? Press 3. The next part of that question says, how many parts are shaded? go hover over, press 1. And then what will be the fraction? Fraction, 1/3. That's all you all have to do. Now, if it tells you to, well, I know there were parts where it says you can shade or draw or explain. Here, you can type, just go on and type your answers in. Sometimes it may tell you to draw. You can go and insert. You can add pictures, or you can actually, let me go to the part where, and I'm doing this on a smaller screen because it won't let me record the whole thing. So I'm trying to figure out where. Here you can draw a pen if you wanted to, if I wanted to press a pen. I can draw a square. Oops, let's see what it lets me do it as it reloads. And sometimes it may, if like you can't really, certain things that may not have a part where you can insert your text, just try to do the best that you can. I know under insert, you can add a symbol. Not sure where, oh, illustration, sorry. So you can add a picture, you can do a shape. So even if you did a shape, you can pull up a square. So here I can add a square, and then I can add a line. So I can go to insert again, or actually I can go to shapes because it's already here. Insert lines if I want to show 2/3. And of course, let's make it black. You know, so there are different ways you can manipulate this. So say you finished all your work. All right, great. I finished all my work. Let me go turn it in. So you're going to go to File, and you're going to press Save As. Do not press Save. Press Save As. And then you're going to press To This PC. Okay. Make sure it says To This PC because you are the only one using it at this time. So you can save your work on the desktop. So you're going to then click up here, press More Options. And you're going to make sure that it goes to the desktop and it says what a fraction is. And we're going to press Day 1 because that was a Day 1 activity. We can rename it Day 1 and then press Save. Now that's done. So now that you can click out of this. So we're going to click out of it because we saved it. And now we're going to minimize it so you can all see that it's right here, or actually right here, Day 1. Now, once we're ready to turn our work actually. So we're going to go and you're going to add work where you see the student kind of answer sheet. So you're going to add work here. You're going to go and upload from this device because remember you saved it on your desktop. Make sure it says desktop at the top and you're going to scroll to where you saved it, where it said Day 1, understand what a fraction is. You're then going to open the file. As you can see, it's uploading. It doesn't take long. You press done. And then once you are done, you press turn in and a nice little cute animation shows up. It lets you know that you are done with that assignment. So as you can see, it's very super easy. Once again, sign in, get on Teams, go to the assignment you want to turn in. Make sure you go to the assignment itself and then go to the student answer sheet, download it. Don't press anything else, but download to the desktop. There you can type in, you have type boxes, and I want to show you all the same thing with reading. So I'm going to go back to my assignments. Maybe. And then again, maybe not. All right, so let's go back to the assignments. So I'm going to actually go to post and then go back to the assignments. Same thing with reading. If I had the main idea, go here, go to my 3 dots, download. It comes at the bottom, open. And as you can see, you always press enable edit. And as you can see, you can type, it's already the life of the American colonies. Type in your main idea. Press save, save it to your desktop, and then go here and add your work. Press turn in. Guys, it cannot get any easier than this. Now, unless there are some technical issues where you can't sign in, then I gave you all a link or a phone number actually for you to call the help desk. Now, I really want you all to try this tomorrow, even if you take day one, you know, go back and start adding your information into day one and turning it in. All right, guys, let me know if you need any help. And again, hope this all helps you all.